So I consider guerrilla gardening to be a type of gardening where people use their resources and their community to plant what they want and what they need.
I think personally I first got into guerrilla gardening when I started following the work of Ron Finley, the guerrilla gardener who's done a lot of work in South Central LA. So I was reading articles on him and really excited about what he was doing to change his environment and to change the laws regarding guerrilla gardening.
So sometimes it means public land, sometimes it means like plants that are not traditionally planted places, sometimes it means things like lawns that just have grass don't really do anything for people, but sometimes you can plant like, fruit trees or things that are good for pollinators like bees or other insects or food that people need so that they can come and get it. But I consider it to be like a community project and basically taking over your space and claiming your space and farming and gardening and making what you need out of it.
And then as a school, Ndindi and myself kind of followed Ron Finley's cue and also the cue of our students who were really interested in contributing to their community and really interested in the gardening. So I would say it was other people who brought me into guerrilla gardening.